Pinjarra is a historic country town in the Peel region, about 85 kilometres south of Perth in Western Australia. It is one of the oldest European settlements in Western Australia, with its town site established in 1834. The name Pinjarra is commonly said to mean place of a swamp, and is linked to the Pinjarra people. Pinjarra was the site of the 1834 Pinjarra massacre, a significant and tragic event in West Australia's colonial history. The town became an important agricultural centre because of its fertile soils and its grazing land. The famous Fairbridge Farm School was established near Pinjarra in the early 1900s and became one of Australia's best-known child migration institutions. Pinjarra is closely associated with the aluminium industry. The nearby ALCOA refinery opened in 1974 and helped drive population growth in the region. The Murray River traverses through Pinjarra town site and flows towards the Peel Inlet, which is to the west of the town. In the foreground of this shot you can see the Pinjarra racetrack, which is quite a famous racetrack in West Australia. The population is around 5,000 to 6,000 residents live in the greater Pinjarra area, making it one of the larger towns in the Peel region. Pinjarra is famous throughout West Australia for its bakeries and country town atmosphere, making it a popular stop for travellers heading south on the South West Hwy. Most of the farming consists of cattle raising and some crops. It's ideal because of its very fertile soil and lots of water. The South West Hwy, which is the main road down south inland from the coast, runs right through the centre of town with shops each side of the highway itself. The town itself is certainly not sort of going backwards. There's quite a bit of building and a lot of the big major shops and shopping centres has been developing over recent times. It services the greater area farmers and the people that work at the ALCOA Bauxite processing complex. Here we can see the stockpiles of the brown bauxite ore, which they use for the processing. The bauxite itself is brought to the processing facility via a very long conveyor belt, which goes up over the scarp to the main site where they mine the ore itself, and it is brought down to the actual processing facility where it is stockpiled and then processed.